We make lobster stock by simmering lobster shells with vegetables and aromatic herbs and spices in water. The resulting liquid is called stock. Stock is used to flavor soups and sauces. We start with Mirepoix, which is rough-cut celery, onions, and carrots. You may use the whole vegetable or the peelings and trim from another recipe. Rough cut the celery in the tops, and rough cut the onions and carrots as well. You don't even need to peel them. Add some fresh garlic for additional flavor. For the lobster shells, I'll cut the meat out of the tail and use the shells only. I know this seems like a lot of work, but you can't duplicate this flavor from anything in a can. Start the stock by heating some butter in a large stock pot. Add the vegetables and cook until they soften a little. Add the lobster shells and cook until they turn red. Deglaze the pan with some white wine or cooking sherry. Cover the shells and vegetables with cold water and turn the heat down to simmer slowly. For the aromatic herbs and spices, I'm using fresh thyme and oregano. Just add it to the pot, or you may also use dried herbs instead and make what is called a bouquet garni. To make a bouquet garni, we take a coffee filter and add some dried thyme, dried oregano, and peppercorns. We tie it with a string around the filter to make a little pouch. Submerge the pouch in the liquid, then tie the other end of the string to the handle of the pot. We can remove this little bouquet garni later, kind of like a tea bag. Let the stock simmer for about an hour or so. Don't let it boil dry, but add more liquid as the liquid cooks off. Strain the stock into a clean saucepan and discard the shells and vegetables. Place the stock back on the stove and bring it to a boil. Allow the stock to cook until the liquid reduces to half its volume. This stock can be used in seafood dishes, soups, and sauces.